This is the mighty Interceptor, a 100% solar-powered solution for cleaning up large-scale river plastic pollution before it enters our precious oceans and destroys marine life. This eco-friendly innovation was developed by the Ocean Cleanup, a non-profit foundation founded by Dutch inventor Boyan Slat. Built with a catamaran design, the Interceptor prevents plastic from entering the world's oceans from rivers by autonomously extracting plastics. The Ocean Cleanup works with communities, companies and governments to strategically place the Interceptor in the most optimal location in a river, where it can best utilize the current to guide and collect waste. The river waste then flows onto the Interceptor's conveyor belt, which continuously extracts the trash from the water. Then it delivers the river waste to the shuttle, where it automatically and equally distributes the waste into 6 dumpsters. The distribution levels are detected by a data sensor, so before the Interceptor reaches full capacity, it automatically sends a text to the local operator. 24/7 autonomous operation, where the Interceptor can continue extracting debris even when the dumpsters are being emptied. Its 50 cubic meter capacity allows for efficient emptying cycles. Currently, the Ocean Cleanup has 2 Interceptors deployed and others in the works, including the very first prototype in the Sengkareng drain in Jakarta, Indonesia, as well as the Klang River that runs through Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. A substantial amount of the plastic that enters the oceans from rivers, among other sources, eventually drifts into large systems of circulating ocean currents, also referred to as gyres. Once confined in a gyre, the plastic slowly breaks down into microplastics and are mistaken as food by marine life. Tragically, this impacts more than 600 marine species and affects humans by carrying toxic pollutants into the food chain. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.